Welcome to our Grab and Go series. Today we are going to show you a word building exercise using Pink Object Box 5. This exercise reinforces the sounds of the letters of the alphabet. It will also teach the child that words are made up of letter sounds, and most importantly, it will also help to develop the child's vocabulary. So let us watch the presentation. Judith, today we are going to do a word building exercise using our Pink Object Box 5. Are you ready? So let's look at the objects that we have over here. Let's look at this small little flower. Would you like to hold on to it? Yeah? So this is really a small little tiny flower. It's not fully bloomed yet. So we call this a bud.
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 Yes. Can you place it over here? Let's make the word bud. Bud. B. Very good, Judith. So what are the sounds can you hear when I say bud?
Ah.
Yes, Judith. Ah. Bud. D. Shall we sound the letters together?
B. Ah. D.
Good. Shall we read the word?
Bud.
Yes, Judith. Let's look at this. Do you know what is this? We sometimes find them on twigs, branches, or even on the surface of a leaf.
It's a bug.
It's a bug. That's right. Can you place it over here? Let's make the word bug.
B.
B. Bug.
Ah.
Ah, very good. Bug.
G.
Yes, Judith. Let's sound the letters together.
B. Ah. G.
Shall we read the word?
B. Ah. Bug.
Bug. Good. Let's look at this animal. This is a baby lion. Do you know what we call a baby lion? A cub.
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 Let's make the word cub. Cub. K. Very good, Judith. So what other sounds can you hear when I say cub?
Ah.
Ah. Cub.
B.
Yes, Judith. Shall we sound the letters?
K. Ah. B.
Let's read the word.
K. Ah. Cub.
Good, Judith. Let's read all the words one more time.
B. Ad. Bud.
Yes.
B. Ag. Bug.
Well done.
K. Ab. Cub.
Yes, Judith. Well done. For more videos, follow us on all our social media platforms. See you again.